Health Department says the state has seen 59 new cases since the last news conference on Saturday. It brings the total number of cases in Arkansas to more than 4,000. About 800 of those cases are active. 4 more deaths confirmed. 94 people in Arkansas have lost their lives due to the illness. More than 3,100 Arkansans have fully recovered from the virus. Good news there.
Our Jay Burr was at the meeting this afternoon, and he joins us now with good news for thousands of people who have been waiting to see unemployment benefits. Jay.
Yeah, Ashley, just like you said, unemployment coming back to the forefront of the governor's daily briefings on this. And really, for those who are expecting that pandemic unemployment assistance, finally, a little bit of good news here. Today, Secretary of Commerce Mike Preston saying that this week the state will issue over 100,000 unemployment checks. And the state has been praised in many national publications for having one of the more robust unemployment funds available. So the state not currently concerned about that fund running out. Now, as for the PUA, for those who are self-employed freelancers and part of that gig economy, they should be able to apply for that right now. And they are hoping that those payments will start to roll out here in the next couple of weeks. I know there's been a lot of issues with the rollout of this system. But Governor Hutchinson mentioning today that Arkansas is in far better shape than most states in the country because of the approach the state took when closing down sectors of the economy, and says the state is in a good position to bounce back much more quickly. Secretary Preston also praising the approach by Arkansas when it comes to the targeted approach that the state took.
We are fortunate. I compare the numbers to other states and where other states are looking, and the number of claims that they're having and the payments that are going out. And despite the large numbers that we see in Arkansas, it could be a lot worse compared to where other states currently stand. And a lot of that I think you can attribute to our not sheltering in place. We're allowing businesses to stay open in a safe, secure manner, allowing their workers to safely still stay open, do the things that they need, offer them the PPE that they need. We've needed these companies to stay open, and they've done so in a safe, secure manner. And that's allowed us to help us weather the storm a lot better than other states have. And I commend our businesses for taking the leadership on that.
Now, the Arkansas Ready for Business grant program has had 12,300 entities apply for that assistance, $147.7 million requested from that grant program. And even breaking down some of the numbers within that, 94% of those businesses have 50 or fewer employees in it. Also of that, 46% are women and minority-owned businesses. So hopefully some good news there coming for a lot of those businesses. And again, that PUA, hopefully they will get that out here in the next couple of weeks. Live from the state capitol, Jay Burr, KRK 4 News.